Hey guys, Narwhal Cypher Gaming here, and today we're playing Hovercraft. So, I've got my own little hovercraft. It's my Narwhal Cypher guy. He's got the tusk, the yellow eyes, a great smile, a little bow tie down there, but it's not really that well. Darkened fins, darkened legs, red shoes, my humongous tail, and my brick body. Which is nice. So anyway, I'm just gonna start this dumb thing already. Let's go. So the point of the game is, you're a hovering vehicle that has to hover through this traffic. Like traffic of cars, sports cars, taxis, humongous trucks, and owie, ow pain, ow. Well, that's the end of Narwhal Cypher. Wah. Tell everyone they were great. Right. Ugh. What is... Also, if you know what this app is, what is up with these ads? It's like, jeez. Shy-yi-yi. But that's not going to get in my way now. Right now, I'm going to go between this truck and this sports car. Which, I didn't really go between the sports car. Let's go. Dun, dun, yes. Alright. Doing well. Doing, owie. Owie! Tell my wife and children I love them. Just kidding. Narwhal Cypher never had a wife or children. What a sad backstory. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Let's take it. Okay, so that did us well. We got, wait a minute, I had 11 coins before. It just went double. Again. For some reason, it keeps doing 40 coins instead of 20. 20 coins earned, more like 40 coins earned. But that's not important right now. Let's play another round. Let's do it. No, wait. What's going on? Oh no. Let me sort this out. Okay, so I got all that craziness sorted out. Well, I did not happen to see that. Stupid ads. Let's try again. Here we go. Charge, my narwhal! Charge! I think my little guy has a theory. He's starting to think there are orcas in these cars. Especially in the truck. There are orcas especially in the truck. Oh, nice. The car's just sliding like, yeah. He's sliding on the floor like a baseball game or something. I'm good. The ad's gonna come. I have prepared for the ad. And so, I can even make my own custom hovercraft. But I'm not gonna do right now because I don't really have that good of ideas. So, I made a narwhal, of course Narwhal Cypher, a pokeball, and a dolphin. Want to hear my best dolphin chirp? That's literally the best I could do. Just literally. But that doesn't matter now, because we're going to do the Pokeball. First, I just want to point something out. The Elite Rogue, the Elite Sovereign, and the Elite Galaxy. I actually noticed it's just from sci-fi movies, and they just have different names. Like the Elite Rogue is actually just an X-Fighter from the movie Star Wars. And then the Elite Sovereign is actually Darth Vader's TIE Fighter from Star Wars. And then I really don't know that much about Star Trek, but all I know is that they have a big goofy ship like this. Also, it is not goofy. It is just a really big ship. But to be honest, it kind of does look a little weird. I can't describe what it looks like, but it just looks really weird. But that is not important, because right now we're going to play as the Pokeball. Here we go. Pokeball time. And yeah, you're not going to get me ad. And so actually, in this Pokeball, I actually put in a Pikachu. Like, I can show you, but ow! Yeah, there's yellow bits in the... He crushed me! Yes. My Narwhal Cypher character was right. There are Orcas in the trucks. Because they're evil. They just squished me. I thought the stuff that Pokeballs were made out of were really hard. But anyway, let's get some free coins. Well, I'm back. And I'm still crushed from this very humongous truck, driven by an Orca. Or some kind of supervillain, like maybe Joker, or Mandarin, or Abomination, or Magneto, or something like that. Just a supervillain and an Orca, mainly. But anyway, let's go for another Pokeball. Now this is how you unleash Pikachu. Here we go. Pikachu, I choose you! Pikachu! Oh. Well, there goes Pikachu! I'm gonna try giving out my best Pikachu impression. Pika, Pika! Pika, Pika! Pika! Pika, Pika! It may not be that good, and I know. So, let's take a break from the Pokeball, and let's move on to Narwhal Cypher. Did it do 40 coins again? I don't know. Obama versus Peach. What the heck is this? That's just really weird. I do not understand at all what that was. But whatever. Here we go. We're going to fly, or hover, I should have said. Hover. And I can actually explain why I'm not going to be doing, like, Escape the Polar Bear or Escape the Walrus for my the mini game on my Minecraft Wonderful World. Woo, he's viral! I'm going to explain why. Because polar bears and walruses are the predators of narwhals, but to lesser extent. Whatever that means. But anyway, free coins time! Why do I keep getting 40 coins instead of just 20? Because first I had 95, now I have 135. Which is actually good, because I can in fact upgrade my Hovercraft. Because so far with the highest speed, highest handling, highest durability, and highest fuel efficiency for my custom hovercrafts is Narwhal Cypher. So I'm just going to finish up the job. Da-na-na-na-na-na. It's at max. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Yes! Okay. Let's do it. The ad's gonna come. I know it. I know it. I know it. What's happening? I'm not moving. What's happening to me? How could this happen to me? So, I have in fact taken care of what happened, and now my hovercraft shall move again. Proof. It's moving. It's moving. You can see it moving. Admit the truth. It moves as it lives and breathes. But of course this is a hovercraft, so it can't really live and breathe. Even though this is a hovercraft of my narwhal cipher guy. Here we go. Oh, can we make it? No, nope. My fin and my tusk has been crushed. And my face and my other fin and pretty much everything else. Oh, don't mind if I do. Yahoo! I did it! Again! And once again, 40 coins. Not 20, 40. Which is nice. It's an advantage. And so, this is going to wrap it up for Hovercraft. If you like the video, press that like button so I can make more creative hovercrafts. If you like the video even more, subscribe to the channel, and I can do amazing hovercraft things. Anyway, that's all for now. See ya!